Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download any movie or series so that you can see it offline, or how to stream any movie or series online. First, go to the browser that you're using. For example, I'm using Chrome. Just go to the browser and then type in www.goojara.ch. Let's load. And as you can see, the site is already giving you some recommendations of movies or series to watch. But if you have a specific movie or series that you'd like to watch, just go and type it in the search bar. For example, if I want to watch Most Dangerous Game, I'll just type in Most Dangerous Game and then just tap on it. And then as you can see, it's already giving you some description of the series that you're about to watch. And here are the specific episodes. And then of course just tap on the episode that you'd like to watch. And then when you see this button, just tap on it. It will redirect you, but don't even allow these other pages to load. Just go back to the previous page, this one, and let this one load. If you want to continue watching it online, you can just press play, and of course it will stream for you. But if you want to download it, just go to these three buttons over these three buttons. Oh, sorry, this one's, yeah, this one. And then just tap on it, and then it will give you the option to download. Then just tap on it, and then it will say downloading file. Go to its details, and of course you'll just have to give it a while so that it downloads. Once it has downloaded, my advice to you is that you rename the file so that you don't get confused by the name. Like for example, this is Most Dangerous Game Season 1 Episode 1. Just save it by that name. And yeah, and as you can see, I'm turning my Wi-Fi off, and let's see if it will work.
Like you'd hunt an animal?
And yeah, that's it. I see my Wi-Fi is still off. Yeah, that's just about it. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.